If you're looking for a way to make cleaning your dishes and cleaning your sink easier, this sink strainer is a really good option. I was given this product by the company to test out for this video. This was super easy to install. It took like 3 seconds. All you have to do is you pop out your existing hardware here. When you get the box, it comes in just like this. You take out the top. This little push button here, this is what gives you the suction, or this is what seals it to your sink. You literally just put it right in, press down, and then it's sealed. So the water is actually gonna stay right in here. Now to release the water, you press the button again, and it drains. Super easy, super functional. Now you do have the strainer here to catch any odds, any debris, any food. And when this is on there, you can still do the same thing. You just push to keep the water in there. So even with these animal crackers here, let's say they fell in the sink, you can go ahead and just put it right in. And you can see that it catches everything just like it's supposed to. Then now, just take it right out. It also works with sinks with garbage disposals too. Then when you're ready to put it back on, rinse it off, throw it right back on there. One of the things that I liked about this too is that it does keep a solid seal, so you don't find that the water's going down the drain. When this is pushed, it gives that vacuum pressure, so that way the water stays right in the sink and it doesn't go down the drain when you don't want it to. Super straightforward piece of equipment, but it just works so well. It's stainless steel, really easy to clean off. I mean, it literally took 2 seconds to put this on and it's actually doing a good job. So if you're looking for either a replacement or a way to upgrade your sink capacity, I would definitely recommend this. I like this a lot and it's making cleaning dishes so much easier.